Mother's Day to all the mother in worldwide, especially my mother and my sisters, my beloved friends and relatives. Wala akong magawa sa buhay. Gusto kong umakyat ng puno. See, a papaya tree. Ganito na ang pag-akyat ng puno ng papaya. See? I am here at the peak of papaya tree. I'm gonna pick some fruit. This one dies.
No.
This one.
Ano yelo-yelo na? Asa ulo ni Burapet eh.
Kare?
Oh. Isa ba yan?
Ah! This is a papaya fruit. You know what? I will give you some trivia of papaya. That what does papaya gain for us? Meron siyang vitamin E. Vitamin E good for skin at only that also has in time. Touch guys. Pwede na ako maging rhino ng papaya. That I'm a director. Pwede din ako maging model. See, I love papaya. Naku, kapoy ko ta.